Outbreak was first detected in the central Chinese city of Wuhan. A lockdown is in place there, along with at least 17 surrounding cities in Hubei province. Travel restrictions are affecting some 56 million people. Hospitals in Wuhan have been overwhelmed, and army medical teams have been deployed. The government is scrambling to build 2 hospitals to treat coronavirus patients. The first one is expected to be completed in 9 days. The urgency reflects concern about the speed at which the virus is spreading. Since December, it spread to a dozen countries. Malaysia and Australia are the latest countries to confirm cases.
The Australian government, of course, has been taking this issue incredibly seriously. We have activated all the necessary precautions and procedures that are in place.
In Hong Kong, the highest level of emergency has been declared, and school holidays extended after 5 cases of the virus were confirmed in the territory.
We have come up with the preparedness and response level year 2020, and there are 3 tiers in relation to our response level: alert, serious, and emergency. The level has been raised to serious. Now today, I would like to announce that we are going to escalate it to the topmost level, that is emergency.
The World Health Organization has chosen not to declare the virus a global emergency, partly due to the relatively low number of cases outside of China. But some health experts say the WHO should do so sooner rather than later.